Hello everyone, this is Diễm Hằng. Welcome. As the season changed, on my trip toward the warm embrace of spice and of food that boosts immunity, the pumpkin spice muffins are the ultimate for indulgence. Tender, most flavorful, and toppy crunchy pumpkin seeds and the cream cheese frosting filling. Oh, this is so yummy. First, prepare the muffin tin. I used jumbo muffin tin. If you use regular muffin tin, this recipe will make round muffins. For lining the muffin tin, you can use muffin cups liners or create an origami liner for the muffin tin with 6-inch square parchment paper. Combine the ground cinnamon, ginger powder, allspice, and a pinch of cloves and a pinch of nutmeg in a small bowl. We'll add to the flour later. For the ingredients you will need: all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, liquid honey, oil and milk, brown sugar and butter, pumpkin puree. In a stand mixer bowl with flat milk, cream the butter and brown sugar together, then add in the eggs. For the best results, make sure all the ingredients are at room temperature. Beat until fluffy and creamy, double in volume. Scrape down the sides of the bowl 2-3 times during the process. Adding the flour, milk, pumpkin puree to the mixture. Mix well until smooth with no lumps, but don't overmix it. After incorporate the honey and oil, make a quick mix. Then I mix the batter by hand to combine it well from the bottom and sides of the bowl. Then scoop into the muffin tin and top with toasted pumpkin seeds. I love lot of pumpkin seeds on it. You can keep the batter in the fridge for up to 3 days and bake fresh whenever you need to. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes for this jumbo size muffins, 20 to 24 minutes for the regular size muffins. Oh, the kitchen smells great. Yes. The pumpkin and spice fill the kitchen with warm and delightful aroma while baking in the oven. Optionally, I fill the muffin with cream cheese frosting. When you pump the frosting in, it will burst out slightly, then firm up when chilled. You can then wrap the muffin without messing with the icing. And that's it. Enjoy the flavor of 4 seasons. This is the best pumpkin muffin I ever make. The detailed recipe is in the comment below, and visit my website for full recipe. Thanks for watching and subscribe and share. See you again next time.